The narrative around Mencoin often feels like it's driven by those of us who are deeply immersed in the world of cryptocurrency. However, what will truly advance this space is the influx of new capital into the applications layer of the technology. This involves investing in practical, real-world uses and innovations built on blockchain technology. Right now, it seems like the excitement is mostly among crypto enthusiasts rather than reflecting a broader shift. The real progress will come when significant investment flows into developing and scaling applications that utilize this technology in meaningful ways. Until then, it's understandable to question the immediate value of the hype surrounding Mencoin and similar projects, as tangible benefits and widespread adoption are still forthcoming.
The current hype around Mencoin and similar projects often feels like it's coming from within the cryptocurrency community itself. Many of us who are deeply entrenched in the crypto world can sometimes get caught up in the excitement and narratives that emerge from our own bubble. However, the real driver of growth and innovation in this space will be the influx of new capital directed toward the applications layer of blockchain technology. What I mean by the applications layer is the development of practical, real-world solutions and use cases that leverage blockchain technology. This involves building applications and services that go beyond mere speculation and actually provide value to users in everyday scenarios. For example, this could include advancements in areas like decentralized finance (DeFi), supply chain management, or secure digital identity systems. Right now, there seems to be a gap between the enthusiasm surrounding projects like Mencoin and the actual tangible progress in these application areas. Many people are questioning why they should invest time and resources into these new ventures if the practical benefits are not yet clear. I share this sentiment. The true impact of blockchain technology will become more evident when we see significant investments in projects that demonstrate clear, practical advantages and drive widespread adoption. In essence, while the buzz around Mencoin might be energizing for those of us already involved in the crypto space, the real transformation will come from directing substantial new capital into developing and scaling applications that showcase the technology's potential. Until we see more of these innovations materialize and deliver real-world benefits, it's understandable to question the immediate value and future trajectory of such projects.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.
When an asset starts to break out in comparison to Ethereum or Bitcoin and shows strong momentum, it often signifies a trend that can persist throughout a market cycle. This is particularly intriguing and can indicate the emergence of a new opportunity. Currently, I am focusing on identifying the next big trade, which typically involves capitalizing on the asset that will follow the trends of the previous cycle. This might include evaluating new and emerging projects such as Monad, S, or Senate. These assets are showing promise and could represent the next significant trading opportunities as the market evolves.
When an asset begins to show significant breakout performance compared to established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Bitcoin, it often signals an intriguing development that could be sustained throughout the current market cycle. Such a breakout can indicate a shift in market dynamics and the emergence of new opportunities. Assets that outperform these major cryptocurrencies tend to demonstrate trends that can persist, making them worth paying attention to. Right now, I'm focused on identifying what could be the next major trade. In the world of cryptocurrency, the concept of the next big trade usually involves finding and investing in assets that are poised to follow or replace the trends set by previous market cycles. This means looking for new projects or technologies that have the potential to become significant players in the market. For example, projects like Monad, S, or Celestial are currently on my radar. These are emerging assets that are starting to gain traction and could potentially represent the next significant trading opportunities. By analyzing these projects and understanding their potential impact, investors can position themselves to benefit from the trends that will define the next cycle.
In the cryptocurrency market, I prefer to leave the early stage, high-risk projects to others. These ventures are challenging to navigate and require a level of focus and attention that I find difficult to maintain. Instead, I focus on identifying assets that show clear signs of a breakout. For instance, when evaluating projects like Bonk, I look for indicators that suggest significant potential for growth. My approach is to assess whether these assets, which might currently be valued at around $1 billion, have the potential to reach much higher valuations, such as $100 billion. This strategy involves waiting for clear breakout signals and investing in projects that demonstrate strong growth prospects.
In the cryptocurrency market, I tend to avoid getting deeply involved in early-stage projects. These ventures can be highly speculative and require an intense level of focus and attention, which I find challenging to maintain. Navigating these nascent opportunities involves a lot of risk and uncertainty, and I prefer not to get caught up in that complexity. Instead, my strategy is to wait for clear breakout signals in more established or emerging assets. I look for projects that show signs of significant momentum and potential for substantial growth. For example, when evaluating projects like Bonk, I analyze whether they have the potential to escalate from their current valuation of, let us say, around $1 billion to much higher valuations, such as $100 billion. The key is to identify when an asset demonstrates strong breakout characteristics and to assess whether it can sustain that growth. By focusing on assets that are showing clear positive trends and potential for major valuation increases, I aim to capitalize on opportunities with significant upside potential.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our video notification. And like the video.